realize using NAND gates. So first directly go on with the realization. Try this, and if you get any doubt, let me know. Next is this is one special case you'll be getting if they are asking the toughest questions in the exam. They'll be asking like this: minimize and realize using NAND gates, and they'll be asking like this. They'll not give you any expression. They'll just give you an PD is equal to summation m of 0 2 5 6 7 13 plus d of 8 10 15. Okay, so that is the K map for if they're asking like this, then you have to go for K map simplification. Okay, K map means Karnaugh map. So Karnaugh map simplification you have to go. So anybody know what is Karnaugh map?
No.
So the Karnaugh,
Overlapping the extreme ends.
sorry.
Overlapping the extreme ends of the curve.
So Karnaugh map is also another technique which is being used to simplify the complex equation to a simplest equations. So here, so here in this case, what happens is we are going to take summation m of 0 2 5 6 7 13 plus d of 8 10 15. So here m indicates the sequences whatever we are having. To just to represent the 0, what are the values you'll be utilizing? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So can you repeat the question?
Okay. Just consider this equation. Okay. This equation m of 0 2 5 6 7 13 d of 8 10 15. So just consider this one. So I'll tell you how we can get this equation. Okay. In the exam, either they can give you in this form or they can give you in this form. Okay, both of the form, any form they can give you, either this form or this form. So now I'll tell you how to write this K map. By using K map, we are going to simplify it. So I'll just tell you how to write this Karnaugh map. So first write the table. See, always how you have to number this one is, what is 0 0? What is the value of 0 0 according to binary? 0.
0.
0 1.
1.
1.
1.
So 1 2 3. You have to come like this: 0 1. You have to just jump to the last row and you have to come back. 0 1 2 3. The same way here also: 0 1 2 3. This is your
Why like that, sir?
Karnaugh simplification technique itself is like that. That is a standard the rule or algorithm which is being used by the Karnaugh. Karnaugh map has some set of rules. According to that rules only, we have to align. In order to make the simplification, we have to take the table in that format only. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it's not what we are doing, it's Karnaugh map, the theorems rule. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So here this side whatever I have, I'll take it as AB, and this side whatever I have, I'll call it as CD. Can you please mute those who are talking? See here, each the first digit we are having, no, first digit 0. This is indicated by A. The second digit indicates B. Here, this is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. A, B. The same way here, A, B, A, B, A, B. This is 1, A, B. Sorry, not A, B. C, D, C, D, C, D, C, D. Okay. Here the first digit indicates A, second digit indicates B. Here the first digit indicates C, second digit indicates D. Okay. This is CD, 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 CD. Now we start numbering the blocks. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to go jump to this 6, 7, and you have to leave this the column, and you have to directly go to this 7, 8. Again you jump 9, 10.
Sir, it must start with 8. Sir.
Sorry, 8.
Sir,
8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Again, this is 12, 13, 14. This is 15. I'll repeat it again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and directly jump to the last column. 8, 9, 10, 11. Come back. 12, 13, 14, 15. See, why we are numbering it like that is because we have taken that this column is this column and this row, whatever we are having, that is, what is the value here?
3.
3. So that is the highest column. So obviously we have to take that one as last. Okay, because we have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3. So that's why while numbering also we are taken like that only. 0, 1, 2, coming back to 3, 4, 5, 6, coming back to 3. And since the last one, here on the vertical axis, we are having this one as your 2 value. So 8, 9, 10, 11. This is our 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Anybody is having doubt, or shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Repeat
Okay.
it once again, sir.
Repeat it, sir.
So we are taking totally, we are taking 16 boxes here in the table we are drawn, and we are taken, since there are 4 variables. So you know that there are 4 variables means how many combinations we might get? Totally it will be
15.
16 combinations starting from 0. So even 0 we are counting, no, that's why 0 to 15. Okay, so the total number is 16, but starting from 0 to 15. Now for AB, I'm taking this horizontal, the vertical level, line, and for CD, I'm taking this horizontal numberings. 0, 0 indicates this as 0, 0, 1 indicates this as 1, 1, 1 indicates 3, 1, 0 indicates 2. The same way, 0, 1, 2, 3. See, this is the standard set of rules which is been followed while using the Karnaugh map. Karnaugh mapping is a standard theorem or standard technique to simplify the equations. For that, in that case, we are doing like this only. That's why 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. After that, we have to number. Starting from 0, 1. We cannot put 2 here because the value is 3. So the next value should start with 2 only. So that's why we go with 2. And again, we'll come back to 3. Next row. 4, 5. I cannot write the next number here because this is the last number. So that's why I'll go here. 6, I'll come back again. 7. Next, I'll go directly to the last line. Why? Because this one is our highest level. 3. This is our 2. So 2 has to come first. That's why I'll be utilizing these boxes first. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Once again, 0, 1, 2, 3. Why this 2 is written here, 3 is written here? Because 3 is highest value compared to 2. That's why we have to first fill this box, then we have to fill this box. Okay. Along horizontal, this is the lowest box compared to this box. So this box has to be, this line of boxes has to be filled last, and this line of boxes has to be filled first. Coming to the next line, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we cannot fill this one because we have a least value box. 2 is the least value box compared to 3. So first we have to fill these boxes. 8, 9, and since we have 2 here, we'll go here. 2 and again 3. So 9, 10, 11. Now we'll start with 3. 12, 13, 14, 15. All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we'll see the values. 0, this values we are having m. See, wherever we are having m of 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 13, those boxes, the numbers which we are given, no, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 13, the boxes with these numbers, there we will be putting as 1. And the boxes where we the boxes number 8, 10, 15 is given, no? It is given with D. D indicates don't care. Okay, so don't care is the condition where it can be taken, it can be considered as 0 or 1 based upon our convenience. Okay, so I'll show it how it works. 0, 2, 5. 0 is there, put 1. 2 is there, put here 1. Put here 1. So after that, what we have the next number 6, 7, 13. 7 and 13. Okay. After that, we have the don't care condition. 8, D means don't care. 8, 10, 15. There is 8. So wherever it is don't care, we just put into mark. 8, 10. What was the other number? 15. This is 15. Okay. Like this, we are going to mark it.
So instead of putting cross, can't we write as 0?
No, don't care is a condition where that the into, it might be 0 or 1. It will be
Okay.
in both the cases. It might be 0 or 1. Based upon our requirement, based upon our convenience, we can consider that as 0 or 1. Okay, that's why we'll put it as into. Okay. Now, hope you have understood how to mark those things. So now you can clearly see here. See, now what we are going to do is, whatever we have marked, 8, 10, 15, everything we have marked already. Now you have to group wherever you have one. Say remaining boxes, we will be putting remaining empty boxes, we'll just fill out with zeros. Okay. The remaining empty boxes are zeros. Now you can make a group of 4 or you can make a group of 2. Okay, you can make a group of 4 or you can make a group of 2.
2.
And that means it should be a group of even numbers. In general, I can tell it should be a group of even numbers. And grouping can be done like this. The neighboring numbers can be grouped. That too, they should be 1 1, or they can be, one of them can be don't care. Okay, so 1 1 is there. I can make this as one group. Next, 1 1 1 into is there, don't care. I told you, based upon my convenience, I can utilize this don't care as 1 or 0.
0 or
Here,
1.
0 or 1. So here I came to know that if I consider this as 1, then what I can do, I can combine all these 4 boxes. Okay, if I'm going to consider this as 1, I can combine this 4 boxes. That's why now I'm considering this into as 1. Next, after that, you can consider even the corners also. See, this 1 is there, 1 is here, and don't care here, don't care here. Okay, so you are having 1 1, don't care, don't care. If I'm going to consider this one, this don't care and this don't care as 1 1, then even I can group this 4. Okay, and one more thing you should remember, maximum a number can be grouped twice. Hello, a maximum,
Yes, sir.
maximum the number can be grouped twice. See, this group is already, group is already been grouped with, overlapping with this group. These 2 groups are overlapping. Now again I cannot group with these 2 because this has already been shared with this. Again you cannot share these 2. Okay, you
Yes,
can, any 2 groups can share once. The third group cannot share the same group. This cannot be shared with this. This group cannot be shared with this group. 1 1 into don't care, don't care. See, this dotted line indicates they are all 4 are all the groups. This is one group and this is one group. Again I cannot group them. Now just check, is there any possibility of grouping it again? Is there any possibility of grouping even numbers again? And while grouping even numbers, they should be either the neighboring ones, or they should be corner ones, or they should be at the middle ones. Actually, in the next,
Sir,
yeah.
Sir, by folding the Carnot map on all the 4 sides, we can group it as 4.
Yeah, that's
Means
what
all
we
the
are
4
doing.
corners.
Yeah, that's what we are doing. No, see, dotted line.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we have done. The dotted line indicates we have folded it and we are making it. We have made it that also as one group.
Okay.
Totally, we have made 3 groups. One is the middle one, and this one is the other one, and the other, these 3, these 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Yes.
after doing this one, how to get back the equation from this? They are given the numbers. Now you have to write an equation. After that, you have to do realization. Now what you have to do is just see this line. This 0 0 line you have, no, this 0 0 line with 1 0 line, 0 0 with 1 0, 0 0 with 1 0. In these 2, what is common? 0 0 1 0. What is common in these 2?
0.
0 is common. So which position is common? This 0 and
B.
this 0.
B.
Right?
B.
B. B.
B is common for both. And whether it is 1 or 0, 0. 0 always indicates complement. Right? 0 always indicates complement. That's why I have written it as B bar. I compare these 2, this and this. In this, which number is common, which variable is common, that value I am going to take. Since B is common, B is equal to 0 here and B is equal to 0 here also. So that's why I'm taking B bar. Next, this 0, 0, 0 and this 1, 0. You can consider no this 0, 0 and this 1, 0. Why I'm considering this two? Because I'm considering this corner grouping, whatever I have done, no, that I'm considering. So in these two, which is common? This 0 is common, this 0 is common. This 0 is used for which position? D.
D.
So that's why we write it as D bar. Okay. Next, coming to this group we are taking. In these two group, in this group, single group, whatever we are done by using two values. So how many boxes on vertically? How many boxes it is having? Only one box, right? Vertically,
One.
only one possibility, 0, 1. That's why we take A bar B. A bar B, we'll write it directly. But along horizontally, we have two boxes. Horizontally, two values we can get. So in these two, what I'll do, I'll take the common values. Which is common in these two?
C.
One.
One is common. This one and this one. What is the position? C. C is the position
C.
of. So that's why we write A bar B C. Next, coming to this 4 number group. In this 4 number group, which is common along the vertical? 1, 1. 1 is in which position? B's position.
B.
So we write B first. Next, along horizontal. In this, 1 is common here, 1 is common here. 1 is the value of what? D.
D.
So write D here. After that, so f of A, B, C, D is equal to B bar D bar plus A bar B, C plus B, D. So this is the equation we will get. After getting this equation, to this equation, I have to realize the NAND gate. The same procedure, whatever we have done now, the same procedure, we have to do it again.
Sir, here we got only 2 groups. If we get one more group, what we have to do, sir?
If you get one more group, add one more. I mean, suppose you are asking me what? Yeah, this is also one. This is also one. Just an assumption.
Yeah.
1, 1.
Yes, sir.
1, 1. Make this as one group. Okay, and take. When we are taking vertical, how many boxes is corresponding here? Only this one. So it will be C bar D bar. Here you will be taking common value B. Then it will be plus B bar C. Plus B C bar D bar. Shall I
Okay, sir.
do it again?
No, sir, I got it.
No, others.
Repeat it, sir.
Yeah, wait. We have one more problem. We'll take this one. Okay. So now you are able to plot the box. Write the box.
Yes, sir.
0,
Yes, sir.
1, 2,
Yes.
3. 0, 1, 2, 3. After that, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this. We have. So now, M value, wherever we have M, that values we are going to fill up with 1, 1, 1. So, which is fourth position is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth position. 1. Fifth position is 1. Sixth position is 1. Seventh position is 1. So we have substituted. Then this is the eighth position. That is 1. This is the eighth position. 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the 12th position. 12 is also 1. After this, we have D. D indicates don't care. So wherever we have 1, 2, 3, and the box number 1, 2, 3, 9, 11, 14, we'll put don't care, don't care, don't care. And whichever numbers are not mentioned in this question, put zeros for the blank boxes. After that, you have to group them. While grouping, you should remember one thing, you have to make even number of groups. even number of groups. And again, you'll get one more idea that anyhow you have don't care, no? Why can't we group them? Okay. So now at your level, don't group them. That is the next technique which will come. So for your level, that technique is not used. So only don't care cannot be grouped. Okay. We are
So
studying
0, 1, 1, 1 we can make a group, no? So 4 don't care, 1, 1.
which one? 0, 0.
The above one.
Here, which one?
These four,
This 4.
these four, sir.
So these four.
This 4. That you can do.
We can make a group, no?
You can make a group, but what happens is once you simplify it, then you'll be getting the same value. You can group it, no problem, but you'll be getting same value. That's why I have not grouped it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But you cannot group this one who has done this 0, 0 in don't care. You cannot group it. We are only bothered about 1. See, for your level, we are just going to do with 1. Next, in your we have one more subject called Analog and Digital Electronics in 3rd semester. There you have one complete module on Karnaugh map only. Okay. So during that cases you will be considering different techniques of K-map. There you will learn all those things. Now just remember, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is one group, and this is the other group. See now.
Sir, even if we group these, will the answer be different?
Which one? This 4.
These ones.
This 4.
Yes, sir. Above. Don't care. Yes, sir.
So even you group them, when you are going to simplify them, you will be getting same answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you have to simplify them and you will be getting same answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now here, this is our vertical, the horizontal. So horizontal, you have these many number of values. This many number of values. So that's why we will be not taking any, we cannot take any common. Okay. So I will be just jumping to this value. Here I cannot take, because there are 4 combination. I cannot have a single common number to anything. So I'll be not going to this. I'll be just going on to this. So what is the value I have? 0, 1. A bar B. A bar B. Okay. Next, the other group is this one. So here, the vertically you just see 0, 0. You have. So for that, I take C bar, D bar. In these two, horizontally 2 boxes are there. So here 1, 1 is there. So 1, 0 is different. So I'll be just taking A. It will be A, C bar, D bar. Okay. So A bar, B plus A, C bar, D bar. So for this equation, we are going to draw the NAND realization. I have directly given the final answer, but you have to do all the steps. Like this, you have to do the steps. All of you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same way, realize XOR gate using NOR gate, all those things will come. And next is adders. So this is 100%. They'll ask this question. Adders.